Hello. I'm audible ba? Kindly comment nga everyone if I'm audible. Yes. So paki-comment if naririnig niyo ako. Okay. Thank you so much, Ma'am Eileen. And kindly share our live. Hello po. Sino pa to? Hi, nang Eric. Yes, hello, EJ. So kindly share everyone our live before we start. Yes. So tap na everyone before we start. Yes. Hello, KLB. So kindly share na everyone ng ating live para makapag-start na tayo sa ating professional education. So we will start by 5:30. 4 minutes left. So paki-share na para aware na yung ating ibang member or viewers na nagla-live na tayo. Yes. Share na mga Mima before we start. And kindly drop your name and put an LPT so ima-manifest natin. So, kung sino yung nandito ngayon, so while waiting no sa ating ibang kamima, so try to drop your full name and put an LPT sa inyong last name at ima-manifest natin this March. Ayan, so manifesting kay Mama Nira Mary. Magiging LPT this March. And also manifesting kay Ma'am Shella Abing, magiging LPT this March. Kay Chan Rishan, magiging LPT this season. And kay Ma'am Jorelyn Malin, magiging LPT this season. And yes, Shena May Gimio, magiging LPT din. Jolia Peñamante, magiging LPT this March 2026 at hindi na siya uulit. So please, please do share our live everyone. So we will start by 5:30. Yes, 2 minutes left mga Mima before we start sa ating professional education. So ilang days na lang. Ilan na ba yung countdown natin? Yes. Thank you so much, Ma Mary, for helping me, no? So we will start by 5:30, 1 minutes left. So this pabaon is for professional education. Kaya share nyo na everyone, mga kamima, para aware na yung mga kapwa nyong magti-take this March. Hindi naman po siya mahirap as long as ready ka po at meron kang mga baon, no? So kung gusto niyo po magpa-member sa aming group chat, so madami doon mga reviewer for all. For BEd and BSEd. Also meron din mga majorship, mga pabaon, final coaching, pre-board. So, mga Lorimar books, soft copy. So, if you want to avail that, just message me here on TikTok. And also, you can message me by clicking the link po na nasa bio. Alright, so it's already 5:30 everyone. Mga kamima, let's start with the number 1 question. Message mo lang ako, Ma'am Mary, if you want na magpa-member, ma'am, para send ko sa iyo yung details. Very affordable lang naman siya. Number 1, what is the proper characterization of for the PowerPoint presentation to deliver a lesson? A. Academics, B. Technology, C. Machinery, and letter D. Culture. Alright, drop your answer mga kamima. Ayan, yung mga talagang papasa na this March. And by the way, kanina nag-o-taking na kami dito sa Iloilo. So hopefully na kayo na yung susunod. Clear naman po ba yung aking boses? Naririnig nyo ba, everyone? Yes, manifesting. Yes, I see a lot of letter. Perfect, Ma'am Crazy. Thank you so much. Clear naman pala yung boses ko. Kasi naka-headset na tayo, no? So, hindi na siya masyado maingay. Yeah. So, I see a lot of letter A. So, yes, try to check the question number 1. Ano daw yung proper characterization ng PowerPoint presentation sa pag-deliver ng ating lesson? So, mag-e-eliminate muna tayo mga kamima. So, wag na natin isali si culture. Thank you, Ma'am Mary, for congratulating me. Yes, the letter D. So, we need to eliminate the culture. The second one is also the letter C. Hindi na rin included yung letter C, yung machinery. So, it is between the letter A and B, the academics or technology. What will be your answer? Thank you, Ma'am Joy, for congratulating me. So, I see a lot of letter B, and the correct answer is? Yes, wala pong naligwak from this item number 1. No, congratulations everyone, kasi alam nyo na yung sagot. Yes, thank you for following me. Again, do share everyone and tap para ma-reach natin yung 1K hearts. Help me to reach the 1K hearts, mga kamima. Yes, thank you so much. And then yes, may mga actual sample ng board exam questions sa aming group chat. You can try to see ng mga board exam questions sa group chat. So madami na kaming mga member doon. Yung mga member doon is magte-take din this March season. And each of one sa kanila sa aming group chat ay nagtutulungan. So hopefully na kayo ay makapag-join din, magpa-member sa ating mga sa aming group chat. Yes, next number 2. So thank you so much, walang naligwak from the item number 1. All right, number 2. Which type of test can show the students' synthesizing skills? It talks about skills, synthesizing skills. A. Performance test. B. Diagnostic test. C. Multiple choice test. And letter D. Completion test. So try to highlight. Kapag sasagot kayo everyone sa Prof Ed, one of the technique para hindi kayo magkamali sa Prof Ed, since Prof Ed is very situational, so try to highlight first or underline those keywords na nakikita nyo sa questions, kasi hindi naman bawal na sulatan yung questionnaire. So as long as wag nyo lang dumihan yung inyong answer sheets. So kapag nagbabasa kayo ng questions sa Prof Ed, try to highlight, try to encircle those skills, those keywords at Kapag na-encircle nyo na, kapag na-highlight nyo na yung mga keywords, try to connect sa mga choices. And then, sa choices natin, try to use the elimination method. So, ano po yung unahin natin na tanggalin, no? Magtanggal muna tayo sa mga choices. So, comment nyo nga yung ating tatanggalin. Just put a negative. So, try to join na guys sa aming group chat. Nagbibigay kami doon ng tips. Lahat po ng mga bonggang reviewer. So, you can avail that one-time only payment. So, just message me lang here on TikTok. And pasensya lang everyone kung umaalog since wala tayong phone holder. So, kamay ko lang po yung naghahawak ng phone. So, pasensya na po. Yes, eliminate natin yung letter D and letter C. Between letter A and letter B. So, what is the correct answer? The correct answer is perfect, performance. Because performance, it refers to our skills. Yes, walang naligwak from this item. Meaning to say, you are already na guys sa pag-take ng board exam this March 2026. Professional education po ito everyone. So, halo-halo na po ito kasi yeah. Kaya nga po umaalog since kamay ko po yung naghahawak ng phone, wala tayong phone holder. So, sorry kung umaalog. Alright, number 3, what are characteristics of good management plan? So, try to look for the very positive. A, it is clear and simple. B, it is prepared by students. C, it is approved by parents. And letter D, it comes from the principal. Good characteristic. So, yes. So, try to follow me everyone. Sa mga hindi pa nakafollow sa ating TikTok here, please tap na everyone. And sa gusto magpa-member. And then, meron din kaming offer everyone sa gustong try to mag-avail ng Google Form na na exam. Free lang siya. But you need to follow our Facebook page. So, just click the link na nasa bio. And then follow. And just message me sa Facebook page. And isisend ko sa inyo yung link ng Google Form. So, very helpful siya everyone. Kasi yung mga questions sa Google Form is parang same siya sa mga actual board exam. Thank you so much. Yes, the correct answer is? Yes, it is a clear and simple. So, kapag gagawa tayo ng management plan, dapat direct to the point, very simple, and very clear para mabilis siyang maintindihan, no? At hindi na siya, yes. 50 items tayo for today and later, we will continue by 51 to 100. So be sure na magstay kayo dito. Follow me mga kamima para updated talaga kayo sa mga pabaon natin this week. Since palapit na ng palapit yung board exam, dapat wag na kayong tamarin. No? Dapat nasa bio ko po yung link. Try to check sa bio. May link kayo dyan na makikita. Try to click that one. So, madadirect kayo sa FB page ko, everyone. Yes. Number 3 yan ha. I mean, what? Number 4. So, wrong tayo ng ang item number, no? So, number 4, correction. Given the oldest historical understanding of a teacher, which of the following closest to the idea of the first teacher who were parents or elders transmitting norms, craft, and belief to the young. A. School teacher. B. Master. C. Guardian. D. Coach. Ano kaya ang ating correct answer? So, ano daw yung question? Try to understand, try to analyze the question. So, given the oldest historical understanding of a teacher, which of the following is the closest? So, meaning to say, yung pinakamalapit daw to the idea of the first teacher who were parents or elders transmitting the norms. Sino po yung mas may pinakamalapit no sa na may layuning makapag-transmit no ng norms, craft, and belief to our students? The correct answer is yes. Guardian po, guardian. Sila po ang may karapatan para mag-transmit ng norms, craft, and belief. So sa yung teacher po, sila na lang po yung magiging serve as the second parents, no? Ng mga student. Sila na lang po yung pangalawa. But the first is the guardian. Guardian po, guardian. So, madami ang nagligwak from this item. So, ang sagot nila is school teacher. But the correct answer is guardian. Number 5. On period of development, what feature characterized the child in early childhood? A. High level of cognition, independence, readiness for schooling, or maturity. Tap na everyone, share this live. And then sa gusto pa magpa-member sa group chat, very busog kayo ng mga reviewer doon, mga Lorimar books na soft copy. So you can avail that one. So madami pa kaming reviewer doon kasi yung mga member ko is very genuine. Galing po sila sa iba't ibang RC, enrolled po sila sa iba't ibang review center, and then yung kanilang mga materials is sinesend din nila sa ating group chat. So meaning to say, madami talaga ang ma-benefits nyo sa ating group chat. No? So kung gusto mo magpa-member, kindly message me lang here on TikTok. So very affordable lang naman siya. And regarding for the Google form, yes, it is only free. But to make sure naka-follow kayo sa ating Facebook page and also here on TikTok. What is your answer, everyone? So I see a lot of letter C, the readiness for schooling. Ano ba yung hinahanap? Early childhood. Is it maturity ba agad? Is it readiness for schooling? Is it independence? Or is it high level of cognition? So remove na natin si letter A since it's high level of cognition. So hindi siya pwede. The correct answer is hindi po maturity, mga mema. The correct answer is readiness talaga for schooling. So, may nakikita akong letter C kanina and thank you so much kasi alam mo yung tamang sagot. Marami ang naligwak. Everyone, early childhood. Early. Meaning to say, the child is preparing, no? Preparing to go to school. That's why readiness for schooling. Hindi po maturity, hindi po siya maturity kasi early childhood po dito. Yan po yung correct answer, mga kamima. Paano kung walang school? Hindi naman talaga specific kung walang school. Siyempre, yung parents po. Hindi po talaga siya maturity. Early po, early childhood pa lang po. So, napakalayo na kung dadaretso ka kaagad sa maturity. Number 6. What characteristics show a teacher has empathy? Empathy towards learners. So when we say empathy, what does it mean, everyone? So when we say empathy, you are putting yourself to the other shoe. So meaning to say, pinapalagay mo yung sarili mo sa sa iba. Like for example, like meron kang student na medyo problemado. So as a teacher, wag mo siya kaagad i-judge, no? Wag mo siya kaagad i-judge yung isang student. So you need to understand muna, you need to talk that student. So try to show empathy muna sa kanila upang malaman mo kung ano ba yung cause, no? Like for example, like hindi siya nagre-recite. So you are wondering bakit hindi siya nagre-recite, no? Kasi palagi siyang tahimik. So as a teacher, you need to put yourself on the shoe to yours by your students. So meaning to say, try mo siya munang kausapin, try mo munang understand kung saan siya nanggagaling. And that way, malalaman mo kung ano ba yung specific na reason kung bakit hindi siya nagre-recite. So alin ba dito? Alin ba dito sa item? A, strength and conviction. B, caring and love. C, loyalty and affinity. And letter D, discipline or fortitude. Yes po, perfect. You are the one to talk to your student towards understand. So as a teacher, you need to be understandable. Yes, the correct answer mga kamima, you are all correct. It's caring and love. Perfect. So dapat kung magiging teacher kayo in the future, you need to apply this characteristic. Okay? So wag kayo padalos-dalos. Especially kapag meron kayong na-encounter. So I know na nagkaroon na kayo ng OGT during college years, no, internship. And meron kayong na-encounter na iba't ibang students' behavior. So kung meron kang student na palaging pasaway, so wag ka munang wag ka munang mag-strict. Try to understand muna kung saan sila nanggagaling. Baka mamaya meron silang problema or anything. So try to understand muna. And then in that way, you can plan kung ano ba yung solution na dapat mong gawin. In what specific po? Sa Gen Ed ba or sa Prof Ed? Number 7 mga kamima. Tap everyone and try to avail na sa aming group chat. So maraming mga reviewers doon, very helpful. Gen Ed. So to be honest everyone, regarding sa Gen Ed last time, so yung sa mathematics is kaunti lang yung lumabas sa mathematics. And sa English, I think medyo madami sa English, pero may mga mga question na umulit ng ilang beses sa Gen Ed. So meaning to say, kung umulit yung question and you are confident to your answer in that question, so meron ka ng plus points kapag ulit yung question na yon. Kasi that time, last September, may mga question na umulit sa Gen Ed. So be ready everyone. And then I advise to you na prepare for Rizal. No, kasi si Rizal lumalabas every March. No, madaming mga agam-agam, marami according to the survey. Lumalabas si Rizal sa GenEd every March season. So nang last night ata 'yon, nagkaroon kami dito ng drills pabaon sa Rizal. So nagbigay kami ng reviewer, sinend na namin sa group chat. So ready to download na nila doon at ready to review. Madami po ang about kay Rizal. Buhay ni Rizal, works ni Rizal, history ni Rizal, yes, kasama po yun. Basta, try to research those information regarding kay Rizal. Number 7, which of the following is routine procedure in class management? Experiment, role play, roll call, research. So, obvious naman, no? Obvious na obvious yung number 7. Yes, you are all correct mga kamima. The correct answer is perfect. Bakit may B? Ba't role playing? Angelica, hindi po role playing ha, yung routine natin everyday sa ating classroom. Hindi po role play. Letter C po yung tamang sagot, roll call. Every day you need to have a roll call to your student para malaman mo kung meron bang absent or wala. Hindi din research. Avail na kayo everyone sa ating group chat. Magpa-member na kayo sa aming group chat. Madaming mga reviewers doon. Prof. Ed, Gen Ed, Majorship, Preboard, Macboard, keywords, tips then also. Hi Cornic, andito naman si Dora. Message na everyone. And then regarding sa Google Form, ang Google Form is sample question, no, na pwedeng makahelp. Kung gusto niyo mag-avail, it's free. All you need to do is to click the link na nasa bio and try to follow us on Facebook. And then message me lang po sa Facebook page and I'll be send the Google Form. Number 8, there are varied aspects of professionalism among teachers. Which aspect is their inner deals, commitment, and dedication as teachers? A, ethical, B, social, C, cultural, and letter D, work. So ano ba yung hinahanap? Varied aspect, professionalism, inner deals, commitment mo, and dedication mo as teacher. The correct answer is work aspect. Hindi po ethical. Kasi it talks about to your work naman, di ba? Yung ethical is it talks about the behavior of the teacher. So, sa ating question here, deals, commitment, and dedication as a teacher. So, it talks about to your work. So, yes. Thank you so much, everyone. And tap, everyone. Number 9. What assessment? So, andito naman tayo sa assessment of learning. What assessment provide a total view of students' performance? Is it summative, developmental, placement, or formative? You are providing the total view of students' performance. Baga, ito na yung tinitingnan mo na yung overall grades or overall view of students' performance? Is it summative, placement, developmental, or formative? Remove the formative. Hindi na po pwede si formative. The correct answer is summative. Sir Jestoni, nakikita ko po yung answer mo at palagi ka pong ligwak. So, try po to analyze the question. So, kanina ko pa po nakikita yung answer mo. In assessment, summative test po is one of the assessment na nagpo-provide po ng total view of student performance. So, in the classroom, kapag kung gusto mo nang tayahin yung kaalaman ng iyong student, si teacher ay nagbibigay na ng summative test. Kasi sa paraan ng summative test, doon niya malalaman kung talagang naintindihan ba ng student ang kanyang mga itinuro. Kumbaga total view na po. So hindi na po si developmental, hindi na po si placement, at hindi na po si formative. Ewan ko nga sa kanya eh. Kanino ko pa siya nakikita yung answer niya. So napakalayo po ng answer ni Sir Justin eh. So sir, try to understand the question, try to analyze, try to use your critical thinking in order for you to look or locate the correct answer. Kasi if padalos-dalos ka po kaagad, maaring mahihirapan ka po sa Prof Ed. So try to understand po. Yes po. Wait lang muna guys, wag natin muna i-next. Sir, concern lang po ako sa iyo ha, Sir Jestoni. So hindi ko naman gusto na during the Prof Ed is mahirapan ka. So, yes, so try to analyze the question first. Try to read and comprehend also. Comprehension is a very important and the primary tools that you need to use, no? Thank you for the star. A star rose, I mean. Okay, next, number 10. So, sir, try mo naman yung number 10. Try natin. Backup, correct ka na po dito sa number 10. Buhatin tayo ng number natin. Wait lang guys, parang nag-blurred. In the first day po, bawal ang summative ha. Placement po, yun ang tawag. Placement. Pre-test, post-test, hindi ay pre-test po during the first day of class, hindi po yun summative test ha. It's considered a diagnostic test kasi dinadiagnose mo yung student mo, nilulook mo kung ano ba yung saan sila mahina pa, saan po yung kanilang weaknesses and strength. Tap na everyone and mag-avail na kayo guys sa aming group chat. Madaming mga reviewer doon. Very affordable. How is periodic reporting of student grades useful? So, paano daw yung periodic reporting of student grade useful? A, obligation. B, way to please parents. C, way to win support for the school. D, as feedback. Yes, very easy po ang question number 10. So ano kayo yung answer ni Sir Justin eh? Sir, try to put your answer sir. Ano ba yung talagang gamit, no? Letter A po. Letter A ba yung sagot? Obligation? Are you sure? Letter C, way to support for the school. The correct answer is letter D. Why is it feedback? So, di ba, after the magawa ni teacher yung card ni student, di ba nagkakaroon tayo ng card day pinapunta natin yung parents sa school at pinapakita kung ang yung reporting card ng student. So in that way, that is giving a feedback. When we say giving a feedback, so pinapaalam na ni teacher sa parents kung ano ba yung naging performance ng kanyang anak sa school. Yes, upang malaman ba kung ang kanyang anak ay nag-e-excel, nahihirapan, or need pa ng improvement. Kaya as a feedback po ang tamang sagot sa number 10. Hindi po siya obligation ha. Hindi po siya to please the parents or hindi rin siya to win support for the school. This is as feedback. Ayan tuloy, Vivi. Mahina na naman ang comprehension mo. Tap, everyone. So, malapit na natin ma-reach yung 10,000 heart. So, magpa-member na kayo sa group chat para hindi kayo mahirapan sa Prof. Ed at saka sa Gene Ed. Thank you for the fan club, Princess. Join na kayo sa ating group. Thank you for the rose, Nene Fall. Thank you for the fan club, Nene Fall. Thank you so much, ma'am. You are highly appreciated. Magpa-member na po kayo sa ating group chat. So, madaming mga reviewer, especially the Lorimar books. Kung familiar kayo sa Lorimar books, nakakatulong talaga siya kasi yung mga question doon is nire-revise at nagagamit siya po sa board exam. Next item natin mga Mima. What activity? Sa bio, meron diyang link. Try to check my profile. Meron diyang link. Try to click the link. So, kung gusto nyo magpa-member sa group chat, message me lang po here on TikTok. Very affordable price lang naman siya. And one-time payment lang naman siya and ready to download all the reviewers that you need. Number 11, what activity of human intelligence attach value and quantitative description to measuring result of learning activities? Is it analysis, critical thinking, assessment, understanding? So medyo hati-hati yung ating sagot sa comment section. So try to understand, try to read again, and comprehend the question. So bibigyan ko kayo ng another few seconds to change your answer. So, dapat talaga i-comprehend nyo siya. So, marami nagkakamali, marami naliligwak sa Prof. Ed. Also, Prof. Ed, ito po yung may mas malaking percentage, no? Kung maliligwak ka sa Prof. Ed, ewan ko na lang. Attach value. Value or quantitative description. Quantitative. To measure the result of learning. To measure, no? To measure the result. So ano ba yung may connection to measure the result? Is it analysis? Is it critical? Is it assessment? Or understanding? Perfect. Letter C po ang tamang sagot. Congratulations sa mga letter C ang sagot. You are all correct and you are already ready sa Prof. Ed natin. So, sila lang yung gumagamit, no? Ginagamit na nila yung kanilang critical thinking. So, madami pa rin naligwak from this item. So, try to highlight the word to measure the result. So, paano mo ba ma-measure ang result? Analysis ba? Hindi naman pwede, no? Hindi mo naman ma-measure yung result kung gagamitin mo lamang yung analysis. So kapag yung analysis po, you are trying to understand lang naman, di ba? You are analysis. You are analyzing the situation or you are analyzing the question or anything. And then critical thinking, hindi din po yung critical thinking, hindi din understanding. So that's why the correct answer is assessment. So nakakahilo yung phone ko. Sorry, wala po kasi akong at what do you call this? Phone holder. So kamay lang po yung ginagamit ko. Hinahawakan ko lang yung phone ko. Sorry everyone, hindi pa tayo nakabili ng phone holder. So pag tawag nito, hindi din siya pwede ipatong mga Mima since naka-headset siya. Meron ganito. Sorry everyone, wala tayong phone holder. Hindi po. TikTok kasi ito hindi pwede mag-share screen sa TikTok. So sa mga gusto lang, sa mga tiis-tiis lang muna mga kamima. So kung hindi po kayo comfortable, you can now leave naman po muna sa live na to. So hindi naman kayo dito pinipilit na magstay. So kung gusto niyo po yung comfortable lang po kayo. So yung mga viewers lang natin na comfortable, sila lang po yung pwede na manood lang dito. Kung yung mga willing lang, no? Since wala tayong phone holder sa ngayon. So again, baka may gustong magpa-member sa group chat, very affordable, one-time payment lang naman siya and madami ng reviewer ang mada-download mo and ma-print and included na po yung mga Mac board, pre-board. Sinesearch. Rexar score is within 1 SD. To which the following groups does he belong? Needs improvement, average, above average, below average. The meaning of SD is one standard deviation. One standard deviation ng SD. Okay, mag-11,000 na. Thank you so much, everyone. Tap. Follow sa mga hindi pa naka-follow para updated kayo mamaya na magla-live tayo ulit. So, yes. Yes, you are all correct mga Mima. Halos lahat nakatama. This is average. Hindi po below average ha. Hindi rin po needs improvement. One standard deviation is considered as an average. Yes, madami pa rin ang nakatama. Thank you so much and congratulations. Share everyone, share. Follow, and avail na kayo sa member natin, sa membership natin. Very affordable lang naman siya everyone, makamima. Thank you so much, Jipern. Mag-follow ka na po. Sa group chat namin, meron doon, you can download, naka-summarize na siya. So you can have a copy, you can download, you can print those summarize reviewer, mga notes. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, wag nyo nang palampasin. So since ilang days na lang, mag-exam na kayo mga kamima. So try to join na po, magpa-member na kayo sa aming group chat. Number 13, which portfolio is most appropriate to show improvement in learning and transforming a student? So highlight the keyword show improvement. So kung ikaw ba ay nagpapakita ng improvement in learning, is it process? Is it development? Is it assessment? And or is it showcase? So nakakalito, no? Kung bago mo lang na-encounter ang question na to, malilito ka talaga. Saksak mo lang nila. Parang rice cooker. Siga lang ang tuga. Sila yan. Alright, the correct answer mga kamima is hopefully na may mag-join sa aming group chat tonight and talagang papasak kung sino yung mag-join sa aming group chat. Yes naman, Mima, Princess. Message me here on TikTok. So, para ma-send ko yung details kung paano po makapasok sa aming exclusive na group chat. As in, marami mga reviewers doon. Marami ng mga member doon. Yung mga member is magti-take din this March 2026. And hopefully, lahat sila ay walang maiiwan. Lahat sila ay papasa this March. Ano po? Saan pwede mag-apply o kumuha ng SCE? Ano po bang SCE? Ayan. Diba? Yung drama lang ng PRC, guys, nire-recycle lang naman nila yung questions way back in the past few years. Kaya possible talaga na ang mga past let question is i-encounter nyo na naman siya ngayon. So maybe yung mga prof ed na question na lumabas last September and last November 2025, maaari nyo siyang mabasa or ma-encounter ngayon 2026. Or maybe way back 2022 or 2023, yung mga let questions, meron kami nun sa GC. So you can try to download para maging ready kayo in case na lumabas sa board exam. Okay? Yes, the correct answer mga Mima is oh, sorry. Wait. Ba't walang answer? Sorry, hindi na lagyan ng answer. Alright, so walang answer yung number 13. But the correct answer, yes, the correct answer from number 13 is development. Kasi when you are having developing someone, you are also improving it, 'di ba? Hindi naman process, ligwak ang process. Hindi naman assessment, hindi naman siya showcase. So the correct answer is letter B, development. Kasi kapag merong development na nangyayari, nagkakaroon din ng improvement in learning. Yes po, letter B ang tamang sagot sa number 13. So try to screenshot this item and take note the correct answer, everyone. Ay, sorry. So number 14, ano na lang siya guys, ng free since nag-automatic siya answer. So try to screenshot na lang everyone, number 14. Massive open online courses, Diyos ko. Halata naman, no? Online courses, syempre internet, 'di ba? Online courses, wag nyo nang basahin pa ilalim, automatic internet na 'yan. Next, number 15 tayo mga Mima, tap para makapag 12,000 na. Thank you so much, Jovan ba? Okay, so before we proceed by number 15, try to put your name in the comment section and write down LPT sa inyong last name. Imamanifest muna natin this time. Yes, try to put your full name. Drop your full name sa ating comment section and imamanifest muna natin, everyone. Yes, I see a lot of letter D. Pero may letter A din. But mostly letter D. Yes. Good luck daw, sabi ni Sir RG. Alright. Ramos Baby Susan, magiging LPT this season. Nicole Katipunan, magiging LPT at hindi na uulit. Also, sino pa? Wendy Samoki Likigan, magiging LPT na this season. Redilia May Abuan maging LPT, Jacel Solano, hindi na uulit maging LPT. Rica Frenti Ray Allen magiging LPT, Rofa May Gutierrez. Ano ba to? Artista ba to? Opinia Liana May. Yes, LPT ka na. Bianca Esperada magiging LPT. Rofa May Tilmo. Yes, LPT. Villanueva Jessa. LPT. Jean May Rose. LPT. Molina Girly. LPT. Julian Igido magiging LPT. Sheila Abing LPT. Girly and Tinerio LPT. Yes, way back, go back ulit tayo sa number 15. On cognitive principle in a test construction, what ability is required? Correctly answer, filling the blank answer. So you are fill in the blank, meaning to say, you need to fill in the blank. Is it analytical? Is it creative? It is application? Or is it numerical? Five. Tansya alang diri karong dito kilis tapos dari yan. Yes, the correct answer is, syempre, memory call lang tayo dito. Fill in the blank. Wala ka naman dyan i-analyze. Wala ka naman dyan i-creative. Hindi mo naman gagamitin yung creative imagination mo at also hindi mo naman siya i-apply, di ba? This is only a memory call. Fill in the blank. So, thank you so much mga Mima. Lahat kayo ay correct. O eto, medyo maraming mga agam-agam sa question na to. So ano ba talaga ang correct answer from this item? Kasi marami akong nababasa na iba daw ang answer ng ibang review center. Iba naman yung nasa ibang review center. So ano ba yung tamang sagot? Excuses. Again sa mga gusto magpa-member, very affordable price naman sa group chat. Marami ng reviewers doon. Kasama na ang mga Lorimar books na soft copy, ready to download. Yes. So, sa mga nag-chat na ngayon sa akin sa TikTok, try, bear with me muna ha, kasi re-replyan ko kayo after this live. Regardless of the transition period, how many credits unit for CPD is required of professional teachers every 3 years for renewal of license? So, ilan ba talaga ang credit units na kinakailangan ng isang teacher within 3 years, no? A, 10, B, 15, C, 45, and letter D, 30. Yes, I see a lot of letter C. Yes, the correct answer, Makamima, is perfect. Kasi hindi na kayo nagkakalito dito. But may 30 na naman akong nakikita. This is 45 credits units po. Again, 45 credits unit. Hindi 30, hindi 15, at hindi 10. 45. Try to screenshot this item mga kamima para next time na ma-encounter nyo siya, hindi na kayo ulit magkakamali. Ewan ko lang po, pero 45 talaga ang correct answer from this item. Next one. Thank you so much for following, everyone. What can be instructional value of a web application that provide fun and excitement to early learners, like one designed along an amusement park ride? Is it high order learning, good for all grade level, give sophistication in design, or is it motivating? Hold on everyone. So meron lang akong gagawin. Bear with me muna. Wait lang ha, wait lang. Bear with me muna, may gagawin lang ako. Huwag mo nang umalis. Hello, welcome back. So ano na ba yung ating answer mga kamima? So let's try to understand again the question. What can be the instructional value of a web application? So when we say web application, ano ba yung ating mga web application? Just like those online application, right? So provide fun and excitement. So take note the fun and excitement words. So that is our keywords to early learners like one design along an amusement park ride. So what is the correct answer? So alin ba dyan sa choices yung may connection, si fun at si excitement? Is it sa kay high order learning? Is it kay good? Sophistication or motivating? Yes. The correct answer is it's motivating. So may nakikita akong letter C, sophistication. So hindi po siya related. Motivating po yung tamang sagot. Sila po yung magkakaugnay. Ayan, malapit na mag 13,000. Try to tap na everyone. Ayan, meron naman mga demanding sa comment section. So, hindi naman ito naka-follow at talagang nagde-demand ka agad. So, wala siyang pangalan. Thank you. Ano bang pangalan mo? Najib ba to? Thank you for following. Ayan, so nag-follow siya kasi minention siya dito. So, hindi ka naman pala naka-follow, nagde-demand ka. Alright, number 18. Spread love, everyone. What kind of problem do action research address? So, yeah. Very affordable lang siya, Ma'am Chicks. Message me lang here on TikTok. Isasend ko yung details. So, marami na doon nagpa-member since sila, magtitake din sila this March. Included na po yung mga books na Lorimar, Proof Ed, Gen Ed, Majorship, mga keywords, and also mga practice test. So, very helpful siya and hindi talaga kayo bibitin sa mga reviewer doon. A, potential problem, cognitive problem, practical problem, speculative problem. Hi po, ano po pa possible questions? Actually po, wala po ako alam kasi hindi talaga restricted po si PRC. So, stricto po si PRC na mag-release ng mga actual board exam kasi meron niyang kaso no kung magkakaroon ng leakage. So, yung advice ko na lang sa iyo, ma'am, be ready lang. So, kung gusto mo po magkaroon ng mas mapadali yung pag-answer mo sa Proof Ed, try to join sa aming group chat. Letter D. Action research. Ano ba ang action research? Remove the letter B. Hindi na related si letter B. Siyempre, everyone. Yes, message me, Ma'am Rosie. So, magpa-member ka na. Very affordable lang naman siya. One-time payment. And you can download all the reviewers there. So, action research, it's all about resolvable problem. Yeah, so madami ang correct answer. But, na may nakita ko dito nagka-question sa letter D, si Ma'am Nifia. Hindi po ang letter D ha, hindi po yung letter D. Alright, number 19. Tap everyone. Ayan, 14,000 na. Sa mga hindi pa nakapollow, just follow na para updated kayo mamaya. So, this is only 50 items and then that's 51 items and 100. We will continue by 9 p.m. So, hopefully na kayo ay makakadalo. Yes po, may majoring po doon. Full package na siya, one-time payment, and you can avail your majorship only, Prof Ed and Gen Ed, and all the reviewers na nandun sa GC. Kasi ma-access mo na talaga ka. Once nakapasok ka sa group chat, you can now access all the reviewers there and you can download and print it. On the classroom activities, the following are appropriate for learners to have a good spatial skills, but not include, but not take notes sa not. Community, concept, visual, preparing. And one warning din pala everyone, mga kamima, sa Prof Ed, always try to read the question kasi minsan yung salitang not but not include, yung not na word is hindi po naka-highlight, hindi po naka-bold sa questionnaire ng PRC. And also like the word not, except, ano pa, not included, ano pa. Yung parang hindi talaga included sa choices. So hindi po sila naka-highlight ha. Hindi po sila naka-capital letters or naka-caps lock. So be aware kasi diyan kayo magkakamali. Perfect po. Community projects. Kasi siya lang naman yung iba, no? Concept map, visual presentation, or preparing the graph. Preparing graph. Yeah. So, walang naligwak from this item number 19. Thank you, Chicks. So, nag-message ka na ba? Ma'am Chicks, gusto mo ba mag-avail ng aming reviewer? Magpapa-add ka po ba or magpapa-membership? Yes, so I'll check your message after this live, ma'am. So please wait my response. Very affordable lang, Ma'am Jessa. Baka gusto mo din. One-time payment na lang siya and then you can download. So once naka-join ka sa group chat, you can now download, you can now access all the reviewers there. You're welcome. Next one, number 20. What is being asked for students in a task to determine elements and explain them in relation to other part or the whole? Yes po, may math. Analysis, assessing, recall, understanding. Andito naman si Sir Brent. Thank you, Sir Brent, for visiting our live. Ayan si Sir Nor, ang ating number 1 viewers, no? Ang ating loyal na viewers, si Sir Nor. So si Sir Nor, everyone, kung nakikita nyo siya sa comment section, si Sir Nor, isa po siya sa mga member na sa group chat. So you can try to ask him kasi siya nagpapatunay na marami na talagang reviewer na ma-avail mo doon sa group chat. Sir Nor, paki-comment nga dito sa comment section para malaman nila na meron talagang mga reviewers sa group chat. Ano yan, sir, entrance exam in college? No po, this is for board exam. Thank you, Miss Mia. Thank you, Miss Mia, for following. Yes po, reviewer po ito for preparing sa board exam since malapit na po yung March. Hello, Vince. Ayan, thank you, Sir Vince, for visiting sa ating live. Si Sir Vince nga pala, isa siya sa mga fan club natin dito, fan club member. Thank you so much, sir. Yes, walang naligwak from this item because the analysis explain, di ba? You are explaining. Meaning to say you are, yeah, analysis po. And di ko po alam yung kung kailan magsisimula yung enrollment sa college. So try to follow po ng school page na e-enrollan mo kasi mag-update lang din naman sila doon. I think maybe August or July. Hindi ako sure. So try to follow lang po ng page ng school na gusto mong pasukan kasi mag-update, magpo-post yan sila kung kailan magsa-start yung kanilang enrollment. 21. You're welcome. Hoping naka-follow ka po dito para in the future, kung kukuha ka na po ng let, at least andito ka na sa amin sa live. 21. On principles of teaching. Yes po. Teaching and learning, what do cognitive theorists see as the way of developed learners? Take notes, the cognitive. Modeling, thinking, perceiving, imitation. May letter A akong nakikita, may letter D, may letter C, may letter A. So meaning to say, hindi pa familiar ang question na ito sa inyo. Take notes, cognitive theorist. So modeling skills, hindi na pwede si modeling skills. X na si modeling skills. Yes, the correct answer is perfect. Thinking about thinking. Cognitive. It talks about thinking. Yes. So I know na what do you call this? Nag-aalinlangan kayo kasi medyo yung letter D is the real distractor, imitation of ideas. So ideas, it talks about din sa ating thinking, right? Sa ating cognitive. Yes po, yung clue talaga natin is cognitive. Kaya thinking, learning by thinking. Thank you so much sa mga meron ng idea about cognitive. Yes. Kapag cognitive po, mind, ideas, thinking. Hindi na pwede yung skills, hindi na po pwede yung skills at saka yung feeling. Thinking po ang cognitive. All right, 22. In a K-12 basic education curriculum, science is formally taught from grade 4 to 12, grade 1 to 10, grade K to 12, 3 to 12. Ayan, iba-iba ang sagot ng mga mima natin. So, sino kaya dito ang hindi nakaranas ng grade school, preschool? No? Kung hindi mo to alam, meaning to say, hindi ka experience ng preschool. Yes, I see a lot of letter D, which is the grade 3 and grade 12. And your answer is correct. Grade 3 and grade 12. Kung naalala nyo pa, for me, one of the memorable topic sa grade 3 during our time is the matter. Yung matter, the occupy space. So, sino ba nakaalala nun? Grade 3, yes, grade 3 po siya namin na pag-aralan. Thank you so much for the rose. Yes, Jomar. You are correct. Mean to say you are ready na mag-take ng board exam. Tap, everyone. Malapit na tayo mag 20,000. So, before we end, yes po, Ilonggo ako. So, kabalo ko Kabalo ko magstorya sa imo. Yes po. Wala po akong group but I had group chat and FB page. So this live was being recorded. And i-upload po ito namin sa FB page. So make sure, yes po taga Iloilo, make sure na naka-follow ka sa akin para, ma-rewatch mo siya if ever. So baka may mga ano kayo dyan, may mga gift or mga gift like rose or glow stick or anything sa mga sa mga mamibigay, no? Diin diri sa Iloilo, sir. Taga diin ka, Ma'am Nicole Lahao. Diin ka di sa Iloilo, Nicole How. Kung taga Iloilo ka, for sure nakadinagyang ka. Yes, Ilonggo ako. Ungka Haro, wow, sa Ungka Haro. So andito lang diri man lang ko ga board sa Pabia. So way back na tato. Anse. So sa mga nagme-message pala, bear with me ha. Mamaya pa ako makapag-reply since nagla-live pa tayo. Sa Sara Iloilo. Actually taga Concepcion ako. Sana all taga Sara. Ayan si Riri, go na daw. Nagmamadali si Riri. Ano ba yung answer mo, Riri? You want to know who a good teacher is in the Philippines, which would you consult? Is it the PPST? Is it the PPTS or Professional Philippine Teacher Standard? Or NCBTS, National Competency Based Teacher? Or Code of Ethics? So, it talks about kung gusto mo daw malaman a good teachers, no? Kung sino ang good teachers. Yung quality ng a good teachers. So, remove na po si NCBTS. The letter C is not included. Yes. So, basta Ilongga Guapa. Correct. Siyempre, no? Wag na natin Ilonggo Guapa ko no. Wag na natin ito patagalin. The correct answer is you are all correct, everyone. So, but may nakita kong letter D which is hindi naman siya included. Yes po, the PPST. Ito po yung kinakailangan natin i-uphold. Kailangan natin ng characteristic to be a good teacher someday. No, ito na po yung hinahanap. Yes, you need to follow PPST standard in order for you to be a good teachers. Kasi meron characteristic na kinakailangang sundin ng isang guro para maging isang ganap na mabuting guro. Again, before we continue, baka gusto mag-avail, magpa-member, very affordable price. Members sa aming group chat. Madaming reviewer doon, ready to download, ready to print. May mga Lorimar book. No? Yes. Soksay ba? Very affordable lang siya, everyone. Message me here on TikTok. Isasend ko sa inyo after this live. Promise. So, may mga member na ako doon and yung mas maganda sa group chat, guys, is yung mga member namin doon is enrolled din sila sa sa ibang review center. And then, since nagkakaisa sila sa group chat, so nag-share din sila ng kanilang materials. So, hindi ka talaga left behind, no, sa group chat. Kasi once mag-send kami ng mga reviewer, automatic po siya na ma-access and you can download. All majors po andon. I mean, all majors po, meron kaming lahat ng major, Prof Ed and Gen Ed. Alright, let's continue. It's already 6:39. I think we will end this live by 6:45 since magdi-dinner muna ako. Nag-message po ako, sir. Gusto ko sumali sa group. Yes, Miss Mia. You can just bear with me. So mag-e-end na kami. Mag-e-end na ako ng live by 6:45 and re-replyan ko kayo kaagad. And we will continue our live by 9 p.m. So make sure na naka-follow kayo here sa akin TikTok para updated kayo mamaya sa ating continuation. Okay? You're welcome. If I apply Vygotsky theory of learning, which will I do? A. Allow the child to choose his learning activity. B. Establish classroom disciplining from the very start. C. Assist the child where he needs assistance until he can be on his own. And letter D. Follow logical arrangement of topics. What is your answer? Prof Ed pa rin po ba tayo, sir, mamaya? Yes po, continuation po ng Prof Ed. And if early natin siya matapos, let's continue the general education. So meron pa tayong hindi natapos sa general education, Gen Ed. Aha, letter C kasi yung letter C is mahaba. Thank you. So sa mga baguhan here, follow na kayo para updated kayo later. And don't forget to follow. Follow nyo din po ako sa Facebook kasi ina-upload din namin yung recorded live natin. So this live was recorded and will upload. So i-upload namin po ito sa Facebook page. Kaya kung gusto mo i-rewatch, so meron na kami doon na-upload na pabaon na live. So sa mga hindi pa nakapanood, you can rewatch kung meron pa kayong time. Okay? So walang naligwak from this item kasi si letter C lang po ang may mahaba. 'Di ba? So may mga naniniwala ba kayo sa ganyang technique? Kung sino yung mahaba sa choices, siya yung correct answer. But not always, no? Baka yan ang gawin niyo sa Prof Ed. Kung sino yung mahaba, yan yung pipiliin niyo. So try to understand muna the question. Yes, 25. Due to the advent of COVID-19, which initiative is required for curriculum change? Is it implementation, evaluation, design, or modification? Ito na naman, medyo hati naman ang kanilang sagot. Thank you, Miracle. Yes. Tap everyone and send gift, no? Melks. Yung makaka-relate lang dito is yung mga naapektuhan ng COVID-19. Yes. I see a lot of letter D, which is the modification. So ano ba ang meron kay modification? Definitely you are correct, everyone. So kagaya ng kanina, meron akong nabasa sa comment section regarding the milks, 'di ba? Modification po, yung ginamit na curriculum during COVID-19, 'di ba? So nagkaroon ng modular, 'di ba? And then meron ding online. So walang face-to-face tayo noong COVID-19 era. All right, 2 minutes left. I think this is the last question and we will continue by 9 p.m. So be sure, mga kamima, na you can join later, 9 p.m. tayo or maybe mga 9:30 or 9:45. 26, in a lesson, when the teachers make ideas universally applicable to other ideas or situation, is it summarization, generalization, comparison, or abstract? So I see a lot of letter B. Are you sure? Thank you so much, guys. No, so help me. Yes, naka 10,000 viewers tayo tonight, and we have 18,000 hearts. Thank you, Mima. Yeah. Again, before we end this live, baka gusto nyo maghabol to magpa-member sa group chat. Very low price lang naman siya magpa-member. So you can message me here on TikTok or you can click the link sa bio ng nasa profile ko here sa TikTok. Just click the link, try to follow and message. I see a lot of letter A but may letter B din. Ano ba? Ano ba yung question number 26? When do teachers make ideas universally applicable? Guys, so universally applicable. May meron pa bang ano dito magkakamali? Ayan, para makakapag 19,000 pa tayo. Thank you so much, Mima, for visiting our live tonight. And malapit na yung board exam nyo. 30 plus days na lang, the countdown. And hoping you are all ready. Ayan, para magta 20,000 pa. Ayan, bongga si Isabel. Pinaglalaban niya talaga yung summarization. Let's see if summarization is the correct answer. Ligwak po ang letter A because the answer is generalization. From the word universally applicable. When we say universally, so related po siya for general. Universal, general. So napaka-ano lang talaga, napaka easy ng proof ed kung marunong kang mag-analyze, mag-comprehend, and mag-locate ng keywords. Ganyan ang technique sa proof ed, everyone. Try to read the question, highlight the keywords, or underline the keywords. And after that, you don't need to read again the question. All you need to do is to look for the highlight, yung hin-highlight mong keywords, and then try to connect sa mga option. Yes, you are correct po. Ewan ko po kung sino yung nag-AA. Si Ma'am Isabel, nakita ko kanina, letter A po. So this is the end of our live tonight, everyone. So see you later by 9. So I know na maraming viewers tayo ngayon, but I need to end this live muna. Ano bang tinatanong dito? Keywords. Yes po, keywords is the key talaga sa proof ed. Special announcement. Thank you so much, everyone, and see you later. See you. Hoping na makaano kayo later, makadalo sa ating live. And before we end, thank you so much again. And baka may gusto magpa-member po, no? Magpa-member sa ating group chat. Lahat po ng reviewers nandun. Included na po yung mga ginagamit namin dito sa pagla-live. Ready to download. Once makapasok kayo sa aming group chat, automatic, may access na kayo sa mga reviewers doon. Later po yung kasunod. Nahuli ka na po. I-end ko muna po kasi I need to muna. Magdi-dinner muna, magdi-dinner. Ayan. Thank you everyone and God bless. And sana mapapasa kayo this March at walang maiiwan at walang magre-retake. One take, no retake. Bye-bye. Tapos na, paulit sa balay. Adios, adios, adios.